the 88 LX Mustang. It's got some electrical tape on it, and so we're gonna swap out this steering wheel with another one I have that's maybe in better shape. Okay, all right, we'll zip up this bolt. We will install steering wheel puller. Forgot one important piece, don't go away. Okay. Be hard to do with one hand, but let's see if we can do it. Get these in there, tighten them down. Okay, get that guy centered. Tighten this, just snug. And hit this. Bing. All right. Pop that guy off. Dirty in there. All right, let's clean this guy up. This one is not split or anything. So let's see if we can clean it up. All right. The steering wheel, which I have scrubbed. And it can only go on. Sorry. Okay. Better. It's not perfect, but we'll see how long it holds up. It's a little bit weather checked. The bushings are good in there, but we'll put this guy back on and hang on one second. Okay, horn still does not work, but okay. Replaced the old steering wheel, which was kind of falling apart. We'll hang on to it, but yeah. All right, swapped out the steering wheel with a better one. No duct tape or electrical tape. It's not perfect, but it's better.